This is the Frugal Gardener, and I decided to do a quick video. I hit the jackpot with my beans this year. This is a small portion of the long beans that I harvested just this morning. So I'm getting to the point where I can't just cook them and eat them all the same day. It's just too many. So what I basically did was I cut off the tips because they're pretty much unedible or unappetizing, and I broke these in half or cut these in half. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blanch these in salt water. I am going to use about 3 times the amount of water that I have to the beans. I'm going to blanch them for about 5 minutes in the salted water, and then I'm going to dump them in this cold water to stop the cooking process. Once that's done and they cool off, I can freeze them. So like I said, this is going to be quick. Here's the water. This is boiling water. I actually had it turned down. So I'm going to add these, stir, let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, 3 minutes minimum, 5 minutes tops. And once that's done, then they'll go into the cold water. Some people use ice water, stir, and that's it. Done. I just wanted to give you a close-up look of how the beans should look. As you can see, they've turned a bright green now, and it's been 5 minutes. So I'm going to go to the final step, which is basically to cool these down so that they can be stored, they can be frozen, they can be kept for a long period of time since the blanching has been completed. So this is it. I'm going to bag these up into freezer bags, label them, throw them in the freezer, and we'll have these probably this fall. That's it from the Frugal Gardener's Kitchen. Next video I'm most likely going to do will be on making garlic powder from the garlic that I grew about a month ago. Catch you guys later.